Hi guys, welcome to this web development course. My name is Mr. Charles Saroufim. I'm a programming instructor. I'm also a developer. Mainly I teach all programming languages like web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, also mobile applications, mobile development, Java, Python, C++, C#, PHP, iOS. So mainly I've taught many courses before regarding also cybersecurity and ethical hacking. It's been like a while since I'm a supervisor also in certain universities over master's students for their thesis projects. In this course, we will be learning how to build a dynamic sign-in, sign-up page. It will be a school system, like a login and a sign up to the system of the school. If you are already a registered user, then you will be able to log in. If you are a new user, then you will be signing up with your name, last name, email and stuff. Also, you will be having a role, whether you are a teacher or a student. So this course will be very dynamic. At the end of this course, you will be able, of course, to build this page. You'll be provided also with all the tools needed to be able to build this dynamic page. So discussing what are the tools that you will be needing, we will go on to that in the next unit. So I'll see you in a bit.